Welcome to Porsche South Point. This is Roy Roth, your Porsche brand ambassador. And today I'd like to demonstrate for you on the 2021 Porsche Cayenne, the entry and drive feature of the car. Right here, as long as you have the key with you like I do, just grab the door handle, enter the car. To start the car, you don't have to remove a key. It's a twist and release. That shuts off the car. And when you want to leave, to lock the car, all you have to do is press the button. To gain access to the trunk, it's very similar. There's a hidden door handle here. The trunk opens, and you can set the height of the trunk, move it to where you'd like it to be, hit this button, hold it in. That's now the new permanent height of the trunk. Until you change it again, this button will lock the car. Thank you for listening.